Cleanup update video. Step 1, start your timer. Then we're gonna go on to dusting. The reason we do dusting first is because we want to start from the top down, cleaning everything so that when we're done, we are cleaning up any mess we make. So we're gonna start with the feather duster here, and we are going to go way up the top, dust off all of these vents, dust off these lights, dust off all of these shelves, and anything else that could need dusting in the bathroom. Okay? Once you've dusted, you are then going to move on to step 2, which is cleaning the sink and the toilet bowl with Ajax. So here's your Ajax. You're going to take the Ajax and sprinkle lightly an amount of Ajax in the sink, and you're going to get this bad boy wet and scrub all of that all around. You'll then squish out all of the water and put your green scrubby back there. Put your Ajax back here. In here, you are going to sprinkle a similar amount around the bowl. You're going to grab the wand back here, and you are going to use the water to scrub all over. If there's blue stuff left, blue streakies, you're not doing it right. So make sure you're scrubbing until it's all looking clean. Get up under the lip and get up under the toilet seat. It gets gross back there. While you're scrubbing here, there is also a button back here. Third button, push it. This little wand comes out. Scrub that bad boy. Then you're going to push it again. Same button. Warning, don't push any of the other buttons, because if you push the middle button, it will spray you in the face. You don't want that. Push it one more time, and it's done. So, once you've scrubbed those, you can leave this sitting here for a little while so that it drips dry, so we're not filling this with gross stuff. Then, you will move on to Windex. First, the toilet. You are going to Windex all of it. You're going to Windex the top. Get right here, because as you can see, Windex tends to build up. You are going to Windex the back here, the handle especially, because gross, and that, because gross. Back here, down on the sides, all the way down onto here. If you don't get on your hands and knees, you're probably not doing it right. Around the base and the face, because that's the grossest part. All the way around the floor, because the mop doesn't get this very well. Okay? Once you are done cleaning the toilet with Windex, we're going to move on to Windexing the rest of the bathroom. So, mirror, vanity cabinet on top, and storage cabinets. So you're going to start here. Hello! Spray that mirror, get the top of this cabinet, and get the cabinet itself, and then get the shelves that you just dusted. This is going to be the grossest place. These dirty mop pads leave dust all over the place. But make sure you're cleaning all of those shelves. From there, you are going to change the towel and empty the garbage. So you're going to take this towel, fold it up, put it in the dirty hand towels here. Take a clean hand towel, put it back. Then you are going to empty this garbage can and Windex it off and clean it, because we're often using this Febreze in here and it gets oily residue all over the surface of that. That means we are nearly done in the bathroom. We will be back in a minute. We're going to go on to fridge faces and the microwave area. Take our cute little kit with us. Stephanie. Sucks. And we're going to come out here. We are going to use this therapy and the rag. If the rag is saturated enough, you don't even need to use it. If you do use it, you're going to use like a very minimal spritz, because it is thick stuff. You're going to wipe the face until it's got a nice, even, beautiful shine to it. Then you are going to open this, clean out anything with Windex that is gross on the floors or doors, and go through specifically your food bin. Get rid of any old food. Carl, throw that away for me. Thank you. Then you're going to take your cute little, lazy, but that's okay, I'll take it out. Then you're going to come back here to the microwaves. Use your Windex and paper towels. There's some right there, so we kind of don't need that here, but that's okay. And you are going to clean the fronts. They already look pretty dang clean. That's good because we clean every day. You're going to open it, and you are going to clean the surface of this bad boy. It shouldn't have anything on it. Walls and ceiling and the inside of the door, because people tend to microwave stuff in here, and it goes and explodes all over the place. Your stupid ramen water boiled all over. So clean it up. From there, the last step is going to be vacuum and mop. You're going to take this vacuum and this mop, and you are going to 100% dial in the bathroom, vacuum and mop it really well. Then you are going to go through the rest of this office and spot check. The office guys clean this up every day, but then everybody walks on out, spills stuff, and gets stuff all over the floor. So vacuum up all the little bits and find any gross spots that need vacuumed or mopped. Check. All right, once you're done cleaning, you're going to put your cute kit back. Make sure that things are where they go. Please and thank you. And then you are going to pause your timer, come get me. I'm going to come check off, make sure you cleaned it well, and see if you set a new record time. What we're trying to do here is, if I come back and find anything that I think is kind of subpar, which I will be holding people to the same standards that you've seen in this video, I'll make you hurry and clean it. We'll push start again on your timer for the few seconds it takes to clean that item, and then we will have you move on.